What's up guys, it's Harlan the Smile here, welcome to another video. Today I'm in my back garden for a change and I'm going to be riding my backyard ramp. So in my last video I said I had a backyard ramp and it's right here. So let's just get straight into this and I hope you enjoy. Right, so I'm quickly just going to show you what it's like. So as you can see, it's not the steepest, but it's not mellow. It's decent, good for air tricks. Got a nice coping here. It's not slippy, so I'll be able to stall on that. And then this is hollow. You can see all the stabilizers, whatever you call them. But yeah, they're just holding it up basically. This is the top of the ramp. Not a lot of room, so I don't think I'd be able to whip drop. Plus, if I were to, I'd probably run straight into that wall. So it's not the best place for a ramp, but it is good. And also, it's 5 foot tall, and it's also 5 foot wide. So that's how tall it is, 5 foot. Then if you come here, it's 5 foot wide. So yeah, anyway, enough chattering, let's actually just do some clips. Right, so I'm just going to start the session off with a chill air. Right, so we're going to get a few different angles of the air. Right, so now I'm just going to get a few chill clips. Right, I'm going to try some stalls now. Right, so now, I know this isn't on the ramp, but as you know, well you might not know, but when I whip, I switch. It's called a sex change. But yeah, stood like that. Well, I'm stood like that, and then I end up landing like that. I go like that. So from there to there, as you can see, there's a gigantic V right there. Look. As you can see, I landed that way and I started that like that, so I'm going to try it without the sex change. So just like that, so just a heel whip. Oh no. This is so utterly confusing for me to keep my feet how they are. Let's try it again. Yes! Right, so, as you can see, I've set up a little kicker. And I'm going to jump from the kicker onto the ramp, and if I can make it, I'm going to jump over Samuel. Right, so I figured out I kind of made it a lot, so we're going to see if Samuel fits in that little gap, and I'm going to try and jump him. Right, so he's getting into position. Yep. So I should be able to jump over him like that. Right, so I'm just going to test it. So let me see. Right, I reckon I've got that. So I'm going to foot plant it and then I'm going to properly jump him. So let's do the foot plant real quick. Right, this is the big moment. I'm either going to land on my brother's head or I'm going to make it. So let's go. Yes! Right, so let's try this. Let's do it. Oh no! so there's not going to be long left of the video, but for now I'm just gonna like jump off of here and do some tricks. It's a very sketchy gap because you have to jump over like this, like a two-step. But yeah, I'm going to land like here. So at least, at minimum, I will do a whip and a bar over it. Then I'm just going to get some flat clips and then the video will be done. Some flat clips now. Right, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed it. Comment what I could do next or what I could improve on. And subscribe for more videos of this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.